Hello, beautiful family, lovers of good things, lovers of beautiful things all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always tuning into this platform. I really do appreciate. Please do it to like our video, share, and subscribe. Today, I have a wonderful one that I want us to watch, and I will be watching it with you. Sit back, watch it, and I'll be right back.
For a DJ Razor that opened his mouth and began to call us all manner of, degradable names, Ipunk or whatever you have it. Is it relevant anymore? No. As long as it is Biafra, we remain relevant, we remain focused, we must get Biafra. And that's why anything that will bring us Biafra, we need to focus on it and pursue it with vigor. Raphael Chiamaka Jeremiah Chineke. For me, it is Biafra or death. It is Biafra or death. No, don't worry. Iris Dubem, don't worry. This Uche or the Mebu, just continue to insult me, but today will be the last day you will comment on any of our platforms. Share this program, share it on Facebook, share it on YouTube, share it on Twitter, share it everywhere. But I want to tell you one thing: whether the enemies like it or not, there are formidable forces like us all around the world. We are many. We are many. And the zoo is about to see the onslaught from Biafrans all over the world. It is time to restore Biafra. Mazin Nnamdi Kanu has already injected into us that thing that makes us Biafrans. That thing that makes us the Spartans of Biafra. Have you watched the movie they call the Spartans? They are determined to get what they want. They are ready to die for the cause they believe in. That's who we are. The Indomitables, the Biafrans. And so there's no need for you to begin to wage war. That somebody says, I am going to restore Biafra. Biafra will come in 2023, and then you will begin to wage war and say, no, it's a lie. Tell me that Biafra will come tomorrow and I will stand with you. Tell me that Biafra will come next week and I will say, yes, it will come. Not beginning to do all my. If somebody is working against Biafra and you see it, bring out your proofs and we will give that person IPOB treatment. But when somebody is working for Biafra, my brother, and you see the evidence of working for Biafra, let's get Biafra. By the time I want to say Biafra, I am Razin Debunde. I am Razin Debunde because there's no need for me to begin to wage war against people working for the restoration. It is the restoration of Biafra. Restoration of Biafra. IPOB is one family all over the world. IPOB. And so, if those at the helm are not doing anything for us to get Biafra, all they are doing is playing along the gallery. And today is the political solution. Next tomorrow is council sit at home. And then you are there telling me that, let us follow them. No. I will not follow anybody that is not getting me nowhere. I will not follow any bagger that is not getting me nowhere. I will get Biafra by any means possible. Biafra or we all perish. Biafra or death. Biafra or death. When the nonsensical woman from Los Angeles began to say, Idu, I told them, I said, no, this woman is mad. This woman is raving crazy. This woman is insane. You cannot substitute anything with Biafra. You can't. That's the problem I had with Simon. I told them, look, you can't. No, there's no way. No way. That's the problem I had with them. And then the blackmail came. I said, no, you can't blackmail me for what I believe in. And so now I am telling you, as long as it is Biafra, I will die for it. I will die for it. Now here where I am, everyone in this city where I am, they know me as a Biafra child. They know me as a diehard for Biafra. Don't give me food. Give me Biafra. Don't give me money. Give me Biafra. Don't give me house. Give me Biafra. Don't give me car. All I want is Biafra. All I want is Biafra. I'm telling you, deprive me sleep, but give me Biafra. Ada Biafra, do you agree with me?
Yes.
Deprive me food, but give me Biafra. Deprive me anything you can, as long as you want to give me Biafra. One day, Anamnegu. You need to share this. That is why I tell you, anybody that is going to do anything to stop Biafra, hey, anybody working against Biafra, it will not be well with him. It will not be well with his children. It will not be well with his generation, because Biafra or death. Biafra. Because of Biafra. That's why I have the page. For those of you that are watching right now on Ikonso, can never be forgotten. Ikonso will never be forgotten. That's why I created that page. People like Ikonso in the spirit, the sacred grail, the holy grail, are working for Biafra. You know, the sweet smelling savor, smelling before Chukwukabiama, for those that have paid the ultimate price for Biafra, they are working for Biafra. And then how can one enemy come and tell me otherwise? Bana, abro, akwe for Biafra. Biafra ga biarere. That's what I believe in. I believe in Biafra with all my heart. With all my heart. Whatever you say, I don't bloody care. Give me Biafra. It's all I want. Give me Biafra. And that's why at this moment in time, if you are blackmailing people, stop the blackmail. If you are lying against anyone, stop the lies against anyone. If you are manipulating people, stop it now. Let us go for Biafra. Now, for those that are saying that the message that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu sent is not for Autopilot, it is for the DOS people, you are just a mad fool. You are just a bingo. The message Mazi Nnamdi Kanu sent is to unite everyone. We must come together and get Biafra. Come together and get Biafra. At this stage, there is nothing like Autopilot, DOS group of no. Everybody must work together to get Biafra. I'm telling you. So there's no need for you to say this one is Autopilot, this one is DOS group. Those that are Autopilot, to kill them, destroy them. Those that will come and bring their knife. If we see Simon Ekpa, we'll cut his neck. If we see Raphael Chamaka is against DOS, we'll cut his neck. You are just a fool. You want to be Biafra? You not Ibu in one goal. You want to be Biafra? You not Ibu one giga. Let us get Biafra. Together we stand, united we stand, divided we fall. So if you know that if we are divided we fall, why not do everything possible to get us united and get Biafra? Why not let us unite? Let us join forces. Let us work together. Let us do everything we can do for us to get Biafra. I want to see Biafra. And then I want to see Biafra. Okay. This is a of Biafra for Gazi Usagabiri. Isn't it of Biafra? Gazi Kaduna, Ega Kano, Ega Bronu. Oye to vote. And that's why I am in support of anyone saying no election in Biafra land. That's why I'm in support of anyone saying that any presence of the zoo in Biafra land must be eliminated. Eliminated. You know so if Obunai game make any normal do we want Biafra, maybe. Uba bro giga potasi na ina abaso onya agba maka na osi na ekwentị is ka ntuzi ọ bụ na no mu nweta Biafra. Ị ga sị na ga ha bata na Biafra maka na raf nweta Biafra. For some of them say ọ bụ na Simon nweta Biafra. Ọ bụ na ndị DOS nweta Biafra. The tisasịa ya. What are you saying? Bịa tinye ọnụ ka anụ olu gị.
He's one of his brokers. He said, whatever you can do to bring Biafra.
Tinye ha na your right here. Right.
Only say, now you believe me to bring a Biafra. Do it. So whether it's Samuel Ekpa or Raf or DOS, whomever, even me talking. Bring Biafra, it does not really matter. And what Onyishi was talking about having peace among us, it's not only to unite, but to stop attacking each other. Stop attacking each other. Do your own way to bring Biafra. The other person, carry on. Move. But what we need is Biafra. And it's Biafra will stand. And Biafra must come. Even I want Biafra to come now, right now. Let me go back and enjoy my father's land. Oh, yeah, Moriku for now. Mazra fell.
Thank you. But come on, Simon, look at what I Biafra.
Hey.
I teach us everything. Any sense? Is there any sense in that?
No. Only she no, only she gas. No, onya usabo. In short, onya usabo. Onye kurota usabo.
Onye na ndị DOS na maka na ọ bụ na ndị DOS mụtara Biafra. Come on, teach us. Nwere any sense?
Mba no nwere any sense. Onya usabo.
Mabu DOS, Mabu Simon Ekpa, Mabu Autopilot, Mabu backward pilot, forward pilot.
Oh, yeah, actually with them. I actually with them. Mommy, I know why you attack. You know, ma'am. All you need to say, I wear peace among us. Oh my God, because we are attacking ourselves, which is not right. We should be in peace, but move on your own way and bring Biafra. That's what Nnamdi Kanu was saying. All hail Biafra.
Some of them may protest na leave. One of them, man, when a video phone, one of them
Oh,
the last breath he was giving was in happy corner.
oh,
Make sure you get me Biafra.
oh.
While he was dying,
So sad.
please make sure you get me Biafra. And then Ofonya Patasi that now 2023 Biafra must come. Then some if I know Abraham say, I see 2023 Biafra will not come because he's not with DOS.
Master Raphael, can go that 2023. I want Simon Ekpa. Many people ahụ na ya na nrọ. Chineke ezigo here. Ha achọbeghị ikwu ya. Even mgbe Maazị Simon kwuru ya, m nụrụ ya, I was shocked because many people agwala m about it. The same time, the same year. Gabia. Yes, it's not only Maazị Simon. I'm a lady. 2014 ka ọ hụrụ the vision. And o mere the video dewe ya na-eche. So onye ọbụla na-ekwu mụ achọdoro ya taa now.
Asị gị na Biafra abịaghala echi. Anyị ahapụ ihe ọbụla aji anyị n'obodo a.
Gbawa. Gba 440.
You know, Biafra is a land that nowhere people make can come.
Oh my God.
A man they discover gold in Anambra State. Gold. The gold deposit in Anambra State is more than all the gold in South Africa.
Oh, nani gold. Gas, nko.
Biafra, so why are we going to allow some fools to distract us? All Jews are Carlo. Niaga Kombu, all the whole forest. Then some if I know by the side now, see no to Kano. Then Igbo, no na Igbo. A way more Jews or Carlo on Agari. On Agari, Drimpo, Agari, Napa. The mother was young.
Che. Hello.
Why you should go to go first?
What I say, example.
Make a good example. I won't know that idiot I have by the hand of the donor to Kano. And we're going to see a very good to Kano. We're going to see a very example of Tukano. That is not one of our own Tukano. And then they to Kano and we put over. Dave Umai, all those are Kano, okay, so the weekend, that in the hopeless of it.
Also, then
just give you an example. Instead of that, they focus to go to Cameroon, to go to first. I want to go to Biafra. No, not going to go because Akrobada, as you know, Macanonia, no bronya, I see what I have.
Na ihe nke ahụ na gwokwara m ike o. Hey, Chineke.
That is the idea. So I don't want to see all the mass in that.
Ọnụ nwere ga-ebịa dị isi.
I don't want to mass in that.
All the trapped. All the trapped wherever he is. So, ọ wa anyị wụ ọnụ ga-ekwutere ya now.
Iris, thank you very much. Everybody has to be together right now. And you can see the name right now. That is the amazing Biafra right now. If you open on that is the only thing I understand by the message.
Yes.
That we should be together. There should be coexistence.
Stop attacking each other.
There should be coexistence among us. You know what I go? So, if all Buna gave it over, I have to go there for now. I if I'm down in there, as long as election, and they won't be there now. If you know what they are telling you, people never do way now. It's just to keep telling them that look, Mazin Namdekano never trusted anything in Nigeria. He never believed their politicians. He never believed anything about Nigeria. He lost hope in them completely. Now, join forces with your family members and bring Biafra. If you like, don't join forces with me. But the only thing you need to do,
bring Biafra.
Don't fight me because I am not your enemy. Don't fight me. Do you understand? So do not devote your energy and fight me. If you don't want to join forces with anybody, then join forces with your
family.
Join forces with your brothers wherever you are.
And bring Biafra.
Bring
Biafra
down and bring Biafra. That is your work. I am not asking you who to join forces with. Don't join forces with me if you don't want. But join forces with your family. Join forces with whoever is around you. Let your gospel be Biafra
Yeah.
or death.
Death. Finish.
That should be your gospel. Biafra or death.
Or never.
You know what I mean? So I'm not trying to ask you to patronize anyone because I don't patronize nobody. I only focus on Biafra. Look, right now, if you want to continue to bring the grievances and all the annoyances and all the evil that people have done to you, we are not going to focus.
Mm-hmm.
Let us vent all the anger on the Zoological Republic of Nigeria. Let us vent all the anger on P2B. P2B who killed our people and threw them into Izu River.
I'm not coming.
Mazinam Bekano told us that P2B is a murderer. We put out that video. Somebody put the video in one of our groups. And one idiotic element was asking us, delete that video, delete that video. That was the video of Mazinam Bekano. The audio
Sure.
of Mazinam Bekano that was reminding us that P2B is a murderer. And what a fool that is believing that P2B will save him. Hey! How can any human being that have listened to Mazinam Bekano even think it was that P2B will save you? Or that election in Nigeria will save you? So you listen to Mazen Namdekan all these years and you have learned nothing? So that's it. Do you have a last word to say before we close this chapter?
You have said it all.
I've said it all.
Yeah. All
So
hell, Biafra.
spread this message, share, share, share. Let it go around. United we stand, divided we
Yes.
fall.
So,
So let's keep this building together. Let's keep this spirit alive. If you want to criticize anyone, criticize with facts. Criticize anyone that is not doing things right, but criticize with facts. Don't criticize with sentiment. Because if you're criticizing your brother, then you tell your brother what you're doing is not right. You didn't do this right, but come with facts. Don't criticize with sentiment. Don't criticize because you are aligning yourself with a particular group and because you hate the other group, and then you are not criticizing with dubiousness, with lies, with
with hate.
fabrications, and with hate. You understand? I have my differences with Simon Ekpa. A lot of differences. A lot. I do not agree with so many things he's doing. And that position have not changed. But to come and tell me, because I do not agree with Simon Ekpa for certain things, then I will come and tell you that Simon Ekpa is working with Fulani government.
A
Simon
lie.
Ekpa is working with Nigeria government.
Lie, lie.
Am I a fool? I know it's not. I don't have any evidence to that. I can't prove it. I can't prove it. So why would I be lying? Because I don't agree with him in some certain areas. It doesn't make any sense.
Mazi.
And Martin Namikano said that if I ever try it that way, the answer will not come. We must not lie. The same thing applies to Mazi Simon Ekpa. Make sure you don't criticize with lies. You have to criticize with facts and
Facts.
figures, with truth.
And that is what he's doing.
And only truth will set you free. You understand? Only truth will set you free. So if
Okay.
there's anything you have ever lied about concerning anyone, the track and change direction now and make sure you focus on truth. Truth and truth alone. Because Muslim can create that Okwashi Agahe Watrani Biafra. Okwashi
Sure.
will not bring us Biafra. Propaganda and lies will not bring you Biafra. So don't come on Radio Biafra and because you don't like one person, you begin to call different names, you begin to sack this one, sack that one, all the people you have sacked so far.
How far?
Stay away.
How far?
Eh? All the people who sacked go to Radio Biafra. I was sacked 2 times on Radio Biafra. Twice, but I got sacked on Radio Biafra. And up till now, you have not been able to tell us what happened to Mazinam Dekano in Kenya. You have not been able to give us proof that Mazinam Dekano, you have any evidence that you'll be able to come out. All you are doing is sacking everybody. Simon Ekpa is not a member of IPOD. This Simon Ekpa is
Who
we
told
sack him
you?
today. We sack him tomorrow. You sack. At the end of the day,
What?
That brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. Share the video and tell your friends about this platform because the best thing or the best place for you to be is here. Turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop a new buzz boost like this, you'll be the first to notify. Thank you once again and remain blessed.